welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. As you know, I am super into soccer and sports drinks, and I just got a really cool shipment in the mail that led me to an idea of a cool video I could film today. Let's check out the shipment I got in the mail. Here I got some Meta Moon Prime, blue raspberry, and some lemon lime. So for today's video, I'll be rating sports drinks. I'm gonna head to the store right now to get some more sports drinks. Here we go. Back from the store, we got a bunch of great sports drinks, including Prime, Gatorade, Powerade, and Body Armor, and I'm going to be comparing them all. I've got these all separated by color and flavor, and I'm going to be starting with red. My red flavors are Tropical Punch Prime, Berry Punch Body Armor, and Fruit Punch Gatorade. I'll be starting off with the Prime. I know this one is probably the most popular flavor of the Prime, so I'm wondering how it will taste. I think it's pretty good. I don't know if Let me have another taste. It has a pretty good fruit punch flavor. It's definitely different than Gatorade though. It's pretty sweet. I would give this a solid 5 out of 10. Now for the Body Armor. This one is low calorie. Just for comparison, this has 20 calories and the Prime has 25, so they're pretty close. Whoa, definitely a different flavor. Not as sweet. I'd give this one a 4.5 out of 10. Next is the Gatorade. This one is 80 calories per serving, but per container 190, so this was a lot more than the other two. This one has a pretty good flavor. I'll give this also a 5 out of 10 because Fruit Punch isn't my favorite flavor, but it's still good. Like I said, Fruit Punch isn't my favorite flavor, but out of these three, this one is pretty sweet, so I do like it. This one is a little bit more on the salty side, and this one tastes a lot like berry. Next, we've got blue. I do like all these blue flavors, so I'm thinking these will be pretty good. I know this is like, you know, super popular. Everyone knows blue Powerade. So here we have Mountain Berry Blast, for the Prime, blue raspberry, and for the Gatorade, blue cherry. Actually, I haven't tried this one before. So let's start with the Prime. That's actually really good. It's pretty sweet, but I like it. It definitely tastes like blue raspberry. I'd say it has pretty good flavor. Now for the Gatorade, the blue cherry. When I'm comparing the taste of these two, I would definitely have to pick the Prime over the Gatorade because it is way sweeter, and this one should have more flavor in it, I would think, because of all the calories. And this one is only 25, where the Gatorade is 200. Now for the Powerade Mountain Berry Blast, which is 80 calories. Oh, this one's pretty decent. I do like this one. I might pick this over the Gatorade, actually. When I say 80 calories, I mean per serving. There's actually 200 in this as well. But overall, I would have to pick Prime to be the best in the blue category. When I'm rating these ones, I'm gonna have to say the Prime gets an 8 out of 10. The Gatorade gets maybe a 3 out of 10. It was a little on the salty side. And the Powerade gets a 5 out of 10. Now, we're going to be trying the white flavors. Ooh, this one looks cool. I like the packaging, how it's like white and black. Here we have the white Gatorade, which is Glacier Cherry, and the Prime is Meta Moon. So I'm not exactly sure what that's supposed to taste like, but I guess I'll find out. I'm gonna start off with the Gatorade on this one. I've always liked this flavor. It's been one of my favorite of the Gatorade flavors, so I'm excited to see how it compares to the Prime. Oh, I love this one. It's very good. Let me get one more taste. Okay, now for the Prime. I do have to say this white cherry definitely tastes better than the blue cherry. Wow. Okay, this one is definitely sweet. It might be a little too sweet for my taste, but it's still okay. I feel like if I was choosing a sports drink, I might still go with this one because this one is very sweet. But out of 10, I'm gonna give this a solid 7 out of 10, and this one will be 6 out of 10 just because it's a little too sweet for me. Before I move on to the yellows / green, I'm gonna pull out this green apple one because I know this one can be pretty sweet, so I'm gonna compare it to these two. Plus, this is like one of my favorite Gatorade flavors. This one is still really good, even though it's maybe on the sweet side. I really like this flavor. It kind of tastes like a green Jolly Rancher in a way. And I love green Jolly Ranchers, they're good. This one is definitely the sweetest, but I have to say this one's my favorite. It has always been my favorite, and I will definitely keep picking this one out at the stores. This one is somewhere in the middle for sweetness, and this one's not as sweet as the rest. You might be wondering why I picked the Gatorade over the Prime, even though the Prime is a lot sweeter. The reason is because I really like the apple flavor that comes in the Gatorade, and I think this one is a little too sweet. I have to be honest, this one kind of tastes like you're drinking candy. It's not bad though. I think that's why a lot of kids and teenagers like Prime. Now time for the yellow. We also got some Prime back here in the little packets. The nice thing about these ones is that they're all lemon lime. These two are full calorie, and this one it's Prime, which is always 25 calories. So let's start off with the Gatorade. And in case you didn't know, this is one of the original Gatorade flavors. They started off strong for 20 years, lemon lime and orange, and those are the only two options. This one definitely is one of the better Gatorade flavors, I have to say. That's very good. Let's try the Powerade. I think they really perfected the lemon lime flavor on that one. Hey, this one's pretty good too, actually. This one has a good flavor, but the aftertaste is slightly more salty. Just for fun, I'm gonna have my dad mix up the flavors and I'm gonna do a blind taste test.
Okay, put your hand on that bottle.
I think that's Gatorade, right?
I won't tell you until you tasted both. Okay, here's the next bottle.
Actually, I'm not exactly sure, but
You can look.
is this the Gatorade? Oh, got it. They're pretty similar in taste. I happened to find an empty bottle we can use. And it just so happens to be the lemon lime bottle. Time to compare. Whoa, this one is very sweet. Let me try it again. It still has a good lemon lime flavor. It's just like super sweet. Let me try this one more time, then I'm gonna rank them all. I feel like I would give this, even though it's really sweet, probably an 8 out of 10. No, 7 out of 10, I take that back. And then as far as these ones, they're both pretty good. For the Gatorade, I would probably give it a 7 out of 10. And the Powerade, maybe a 6 out of 10.
So you like the Gatorade and the Prime equally? You gave them both a 7?
They're really different, but maybe, yeah. It's hard. Now I'm gonna pick out my top 3 drinks of everything here. Of course, starting off strong, gotta have this one in my very top favorite. This one is also very good. And for my third, I'm gonna have to say this one. These are my top 3 flavors side by side: Glacier Cherry, Green Apple, and Blue Raspberry. I have to say Green Apple is my very favorite. Out of these two, I can't really say which is better because they're both very different, but I did want to tell you guys my least favorite because I thought you might enjoy that. I have to say, this is probably one of my least favorites, surprisingly enough. When I was at the store, I looked at the bottle and I was like, I feel like that would be really good, Blue Cherry, by seeing the color and stuff, but turns out it's not quite as good as I thought it would be. You guys are definitely gonna have to comment and tell me if you guys have tried any of these, which one you think was the best, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later!